So this video is about listing route command and resource controller. So first of all, if you need to see route in your Laravel application, just type PSP artisan route list, and you can see all the name here, like type and then this name route. So basically what name route is that whenever you call your view in sidebar, when you link your page, you call this. For example, in sidebar, if you need to call any route, you will call it like this: route admin permission dot index, permission then dot index. But this is a manual way of creating each route, like for example index delete, so index destroy, so update, anything. For example, permission controller, we need to create manual index route, create function, store, so edit, update and destroy. We need to define everyone by is route like this. But there is another way of creating this, and that is called resource route. You just have to put this one route, one line of command, then it will create like this 5 or 6. It will call all the function in your controller. But here we have defined like template index, then controller template, controller class, then index, then it will be called by route name dot index template dot create. But what we know, how we know that, how we call rule dot index or what? So for that, first type PSP artisan route list. So this is a way of viewing all the route in your application. If you check role controller, there is admin and role is there is no dot in between them, and it is attached to one another. So why is that? Because in here auth role admin, we need to define dot here as well, name dot. What is dot is, the problem was before it was combining this admin and this rule, then admin and permission. So it was showing as name dot, it was having as admin role dot index. So what will happen is that normally we call route as this admin dot template dot index and admin dot template dot create. But due to this attached case, when you call this on sidebar, there will be an issue. Either we have to name all the thing like this, or we need to separate this by dot. So what we do is we need to add dot here, then PSP artisan optimize clear a route. Now view a route again. We have added dot separating two name file. So for that, let's go to rule control, and you can see admin dot role dot show. Now it's working. Now you can call this you can call here like sidebar dot permission and admin dot role. Now if you go to our browser and refresh it, now go to user and click rule. Sidebar link is working. Now again permission is working as well. So that's for resource route and name, resource controller and name route.